This is weird. Cool. What's good? This is Tim Chenault, representing Captain Ruins. We are out of Charleston, South Carolina. And I'm gonna just give you a little bit of information about myself and the band, and we'll just go from there. So, I taught myself how to play metal in 2019, which is when Captain Ruins was formed back in my homeboy's garage back in the day. On the website, go check that out, captainruins.com. We have Instagram, peep that. Facebook, go like that. What else? We got TikTok, follow on there, subscribe, whatever I'm supposed to be saying about social media. So go do that. Back in 2008, I was a percussionist back in middle school. So I played percussion for about 7 years now. Well, 7 years then, I guess, whatever. And then drum set, I actually taught myself how to play drum set. Believe it or not, around, I believe, 8th grade. It's playing Rock Band. Who doesn't like Rock Band? Or if you like Guitar Hero, whatever tickles your fancy. I'm just gonna stay in here and be weird and look in the camera. Yep. Played the drum set for about, I don't know, good 8 hours for like the whole summer. Got that down. And then I wanted to join drumline. My background comes from jazz, concert band, marching band. Like some of my influencers are like Rage Against the Machine to like Periphery to System of a Down to Slipknot, Lamb of God, Gojira, Slayer, Snarky Puppy. Back in the day, I did buy Collision Drumsticks. I think it was 2020 is when I first heard about Collision Drumsticks. Well, I just wanted to try them out. I know I heard about like a lot of good insights and inquiries and testimonial things and stuff like that about the durability of it, and I just wanted to see how it was. So I did get some 5Bs. This is what I still rock to this day. So Collision 5Bs, play metal, heavy metal music. It's good. Boy, these sticks is fresh. But I hit hard, so when I'm using my 5Bs, they're really light, and I'm going around the kit, you know what I'm saying? So, really light, like I said, use a pork pie Kevlar head on my snare. So, I'm hitting, and the sticks don't break. So I like the durability of those, and like I said, the prices aren't actually too bad. So, I'll just buy them in bulk, since they don't break like that, you know what I'm saying? So I just buy like 12 of them, 12 pairs. Because I noticed that they have, like, you can customize your sticks. So maybe Collision and I can do a little something, you know, work something together. Sell some sticks, talk about the band, maybe put the band name on here, a little signature, a little something. I don't know, we'll get on it. So anyways, repping Captain Ruins. We are a 4-piece heavy metal band, like I said earlier, from Charleston. This is weird, by the way. So, gonna be weird. So what I'm about to show you is another clip. It's actually already on YouTube. Go follow us. It is on Captain Ruins channel. So, but this video that I'm about to play for you guys is called Square Bottle Casket. It is a newer song. It's going to be overhead view of my kit, and I am playing with the Collision Drumsticks that I just forgot that I threw over there earlier, so... Oh, hold up. Yeah, hope you enjoy.
We're gonna close this one out with the newest one. It's called Square Bottle Casket.